There's no doubt about it. And it's not just for the present time, but in my opinion, he's the best player in the history of football. TV बंद करो ना.
Yeah, hi. Good, good evening. Y- May I know your name? iPhone user. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. My name is Yashwant.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Ashwant. Uh, I am Siddharth. Uh, Actually, coming to my Salesforce experience, I have overall 5+ years of training experience in this Salesforce. And I used to work as a part-time, and in the real time I have experience. I am working as a Salesforce developer in MNC company, and in these 5 years of experience I have switched 2 to 3 companies actually. And by this I usually have very much interview experience, because outside we will be getting everything in the regular coaching center, but here the specialty is we will be getting a complete interview guidance actually. The Because these 5 years I have attended so many interviews. That is why in the recent 1 year also I know the scenarios, how the practical sessions will be on, the practical scenarios will be there, because
Okay.
there is won't be available in the internet, right? Because these are practical scenarios. For example, if we take triggers, there are so many scenarios we can make it. I also have this handy, and I can explain you all this by writing a code. Everything I will explain you practically by typing the code in front of you, because if I copy paste, it will be, I may skip some of the things, but if I write the code everything, then it will be very interactive, so that you will be knowing
Yeah.
every point. Yeah.
No, no.
And yes, and coming to interview perspective, for example, if we everybody don't know completely, right? That is why whenever a question comes which we don't know, how we have to uh, replicate that, how we have to handle the situation. This is also I will guide you clearly. Yeah,
Okay.
this is the extra specialties I will give. Yeah,
So
apart
you
from
will
the
be the
perfect.
tutor. So you will be the tutor for the say the whole administrator part and the developing part as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So generally, I won't be available at this time, like 9 p.m. IST. So
Okay.
yeah, in the daily basis, I will be like I'll get a time to attend the class like around 10 or 11 a.m. UK time. So that will be around 5 or something around India.
Okay, morning 5, right?
No. It's like evening 5.
Evening 5 p.m. Okay,
Like
okay. Evening 5
yeah,
p.m. It is.
I don't know about the India time, but as per UK time, it will be around 10 or 11. That will be fine. Or else, generally
Yeah,
like what like generally you will be taking class around the morning 6 a.m. right in the India time.
yeah. I will be available in the morning 6 and afternoon 11:30 a.m. IST. I will be available.
Okay, so after 11:30. Okay, so if 6 a.m. in India, then it's like here at 12:30, I think. Night 12:30.
3:30 p.m. actually. Yeah, I will be available actually. Your morning time is 10 a.m. right? I will be available at 3:30 p.m.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it is very afternoon time, right? Is very good time.
yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Can I have a quick introduction about you so that I can proceed further?
Like I'm doing masters, so I'm just finishing my masters in this April. So before finishing master, I just want to learn the Salesforce as quickly as possible to apply for the jobs after my graduation. I tried to learn this course on Udemy, but I couldn't able to focus all the time. Sometimes I won't get interest to study and everything. So that's why I just want to hire a personal tutor so that I can be focused.
Yeah.
I
Yes. Yes.
would concentrate. So you will be. Uh, there is some pressure on me. Like every day I need to attend that this time so I can finish the course.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just want to finish
Yeah.
this
It is.
course. And, yeah, I just wanted to apply because here it's a good demand in the Salesforce based jobs.
Yes.
Not even here, but everywhere it's kind of what we say. It's kind of demanding job. So that's why I
Yeah.
just choose this course.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. This is one of the booming course.
Yeah. So how long it will take to finish this course? If we
Yeah.
take
It will
one
take
hour class every day,
complete development and admin part. It will take 60 hours.
60 hours means 60 classes.
Yeah. 60 classes.
So Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday every day? It's like,
Monday to Friday. Most probably it will be
okay,
within. If we extend some time in some days, it will be completed in 2 months.
okay. So can we like change the schedule like not Monday to Friday because like Thursday, Friday, Saturday I have to work like part-time job. So
Okay.
other than this like I can attend on Thursday. Uh,
Okay.
like other than Friday, Saturday, like Sunday to Thursday.
Yeah. Sunday to Thursday also it is fine.
Yeah, then it's fine. Like
Yeah. You can talk to the coordinator also regarding that, and we can proceed further
okay, okay.
regarding the timing. I will be okay, and because we
Because
are proceeding with the
okay, okay. So we are
consultancy, right?
three actually. We are three. So
Okay.
me and one more girl, Chitra, is she is available on the screen, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Okay.
one more my friend is Aristo. So he will be joining. He's not able to join today because of he
Okay.
have some work. So he will be joining
Okay.
from tomorrow.
Okay.
So and also I want to discuss about the fees and everything.
Yeah. Fees and everything. I think we will be discussing about this coordinator actually. We have a
Okay.
facilitator, right? You can discuss about
Okay, Satish.
yeah,
Okay,
Satish.
I will discuss about it.
Yes.
So are you you taking class today right now?
Yeah, I will take a demo session today, and we can proceed further
Yeah, okay, fine.
from tomorrow. If everything goes good, we can proceed further.
Sure. No problem.
Yeah, yeah, very good to hear. May I know you are from masters, right? Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
which college you are in masters?
Uh,
Because I
London
also
South
have
Bank
so many
University.
friends.
Yeah, London South Bank University.
Okay. Okay.
And you're
Yeah.
from Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, I am from Hyderabad, AP, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. May I know about a little bit introduction about Chitra, and we can proceed further.
Okay.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
I did BTech in information technology.
Okay. Your voice is breaking, I think.
Really, are you not able to
Is
uh,
there same for you
can you
also,
hear me?
Yashwant, or it is for me?
Sorry?
Yeah, Chitra's voice is
Uh,
breaking. Is it the same for you or only for me?
No,
Let
yeah, it's
me.
breaking.
Okay.
oh, okay. I don't know why
Yeah,
it is.
okay. Uh,
This
please
time,
proceed.
I Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Chitra, can you can chat as well. So your voice is not
Can you hear me or not?
now it's clear.
No. Now it's clear? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. Just
Sorry.
now I'm not working. I have sorry. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are audible.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think you can chat
Wait.
if
Yeah.
because yeah, you can give a chat actually
Yeah,
because
it's not clear, Chitra. It's what your voice is breaking.
breaking.
Okay, can I reconnect?
Okay, we can continue with the demo session and we can proceed.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, yeah.
If at the
Yeah.
end we can if you have any. Okay. Yeah. Let's continue. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
I have a overview on this, and by this I know, right? You know the basics of yeah. You want to be into the basics of this Salesforce. Okay. Yeah. Let me continue from the basics, and we will go to the advanced levels. And today theory part we will discuss, and what we have to cover, what I will cover, and these are all parts I will undo, and then from tomorrow onwards we can proceed further. Okay, with the
May I
related
know who
session.
is this one more guy?
Yeah, he is the facilitator actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, we can begin. I think.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Yeah, this is the basic Salesforce. Tell me, do you have any overview about cloud and all?
Um, no, no.
Okay, yeah, let me start from the basics. Okay, yeah, this Salesforce is completely into the cloud. Actually, what is this? This means cloud means actually in the earlier days we usually have physical devices, right? These are servers, storages, and databases, networking, software, and everything is there. But nowadays everything is on the cloud, which means that we are eliminating all these servers, physical storage, physical databases, physical software. Now everything we are getting from the cloud. What it is, because if you want to maintain our own databases, our own storages, our own servers, means it will be very difficult, right? It is very difficult for us. So that uh, because for example, if we set up a small organization, if we want to set our own databases, our own storage, then it will be very critical for us. For our small organization only, we have to build from scratch everything. It will be very costly, and we cannot provide security also. Why? Because by using this without cloud, there may be threat, right? There may be hackers and all, everything they will be hacked and it is not secure. But by using this cloud, everything, these are all, everything will be made by the Salesforce itself. We have other clouds like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure Cloud. These are the different clouds actually. Complete to one coming to Salesforce, it is completely about Salesforce Cloud. Okay, so that it will be very good. Now, what are the different cloud computing deployment models? First one is public cloud model, second one is private, third one is community cloud, fourth one is hybrid cloud. What does this public cloud means? Public cloud means these are all the cloud services which were available to general public, which means that you can access, I can access, everybody, our friends can access. And so that it will be available for general public. For example, if we consider Amazon EC2 and this other Google app engine, it will be accessed by every person, not it will, everybody who has internet facility, it will be accessible. So that this is called as public cloud model. Next one is private cloud model. Yeah, coming to private cloud model, it is accessible. The cloud services are accessible only to particular organization. For example, if we consider Infosys, TCS, Accenture, they will be having some private clouds. Only the members in the organization only will be able to access. This is about private cloud. Next one is community cloud, which means that the users uh, among group of organizations can use this community cloud, which means that uh, particular not even single organization, particular group of organizations will be there. Those users can be able to use. This is about community cloud model. Here in private cloud model, only one particular organization, but in community cloud, only some three or four group of organizations will be able to use. Okay. Next one is hybrid cloud model. It is a mixture of public and private cloud. Okay. When we have to use public cloud and when we have to use private cloud based on our scenario. Actually, when we want some critical servers are there, right? Then we can use this private cloud for those critical servers. For non-critical servers, which means that general social media applications and all, these are not that critical. So that we can use public cloud model for it. When coming to private cloud model, it is for example, if we take banking sector and all, this is very crucial actually. So that we will be using for critical servers, we're using private cloud model. In this, hybrid is a combination of both public and private. Now, what are the examples of this? What are the examples and best features of this cloud computing? It will be lower cost because we are not maintaining our own systems and hard drives and storages database. That is why it will be very lower cost because our cloud model will be providing so many inputs, right? So many number of inputs it will be having, and so many customers also they will be having, so that they can provide at a lower cost. And risks are also very less. Why? Because for example, if we have some natural calamity in our area, then if we have our own databases and all, then it will be damaged. But when coming to cloud, we will be having data centers in UK, US, and India. If any of the data center is damaged in India, we can access from UK and US. It is simple. This is how we have a high security and high profits also will be there because of lower cost, right? We will be having higher profit margins and all. We have a simplicity also, which means that we are not handling all these physical infrastructure and all. That is why it is very simple. Yeah, this is about cloud. Do you have any doubts?
No, no.
No, no.
Okay, I can proceed further. We have one cloud computing models are there. We have on-premises, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are the three types of mainly these three only: infrastructure as a service, software, and platform. Why? Because on-premises it is not considered as a cloud model, because here when we consider this image, all the yellow colored ones are managed by cloud, all the dark blue colored ones are managed by us. Okay, here on premises means it is nothing but general our physical device, which means everything will be maintained by us only: networking, storage, virtualization, middleware, applications, and everything. Okay, and coming to infrastructure as a service, yeah, this infrastructure as a service here, networking, storage, servers, these are all maintained by cloud, and we will be maintaining our own applications and OSs and all. Okay, what is the example of this infrastructure as a cloud? For example, we have pre-installed softwares, right, such as Windows or Linux. These are all comes under infrastructure as a service. Why? Because they will be giving the servers, storage, and virtualization. We will be running this with the pre-installed softwares. Okay, this is about infrastructure as a service. Now, what are the characteristics? Uh, Using this infrastructure as a service, we can scale up and down whatever we want. If you want to on demand, if there is any on demand, if we want to increase our demand of the servers and all, if any more users came, we can have this on demand availability of resources. Okay, and next one is platform as a service. Here it will give us a runtime environment, which means that in the runtime environment we can code, we can debug, and we can develop our applications. Okay, by using these development tools and various different tools, we can develop our applications by coding and all. This is platform as a service. It will provide runtime environment in order to develop using the development tools and all. Remaining everything, OS, middleware, and servers, storage, everything will be provided by the cloud itself. Yeah. Here next one is software as a service. This software as a service means it will be completely enabled by the cloud. We don't do anything. We directly use those apps. For example, we have Swiggy and Zomato, right? These all are comes under examples of software as a service. Why? Because we are directly, the application is developed and it is open to the users. Okay, so that we will be having everything in our control and we can use. Everything will be maintained by the cloud itself. These are the different cloud computing models. Do you have any doubts?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Next one is virtualization. What does this virtualization means? Virtualization allows us to share the physical instance among multiple customers, which means that we will be having same storage and same infrastructure for all the customers, but there will be uh, different virtual machines for each and everything. For example, if I take a practical example, as we will be joining in one company called Accenture. Okay. There will be client for Accenture, right? The Accenture will provide one laptop. For example, if client want to provide another laptop, means it is waste of so much of valuable money and resources, right? It will provide virtual machine to us, because the client will be in US or UK. We will be working from India. Now what they will do, they will provide one virtual machine to us. In this, all the infrastructure, databases, everything will be same. But we will be having our own libraries, our own logical data, our own apps will be there. So that for these 100 customers, they will be 100 our colleagues will be there, right? The client will be providing 100 virtual machines, so that we can log into that virtual machine and we can work. Everything will be like physical machine only, physical laptop, but it will be virtually connected to the client. Yeah. What are the benefits of virtualization? Slash your IT expenses, because the physical infrastructure and everything will be maintained by the client at the client place only, right? Whether it is US or UK. That is why it will slash our IT expenses, and it will reduce downtime, because it will be maintained the client at one place, so that there will be more equipment to resolve any downtimes and all. If we have our own physical device, then if we have any power issues and all, there will be downtime, right? If any disaster recovery situation, there will be no protection. If it is virtualization, means we will be having this advantage. We will have increased efficiency and productivity. Because of this, we will be having more productivity and more profits we can achieve. Mainly, it will be more eco-friendly, which means that no physical devices, right? That is why more friendly it is. This is about virtualization. Do you have any doubts?
No, no.
No. Yeah, you can stop me anywhere, and feel free to ask questions. No problem. Whether your doubt is small or large, I will be explaining you clearly. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. We have next one is multi-tenant architecture. What this means, Salesforce follows this multi-tenant architecture, which means that, for example, I will take you practical example. We have one apartment. Of this, we have shared resources, right? Such as power, water, building maintenance, because these are common to everyone. These are shared resources, and we will be having our dedicated space also. That is called our flat in our apartment. We will be having our own TV, we will be having our own kitchen, we will be having our own bedroom, everything. These are a dedicated space. This is the multi-tenant architecture. Actually, when comparing to this one, uh, Salesforce, we will be having physically integrated, which means that shared resources. What are those? We will be having databases, servers, and physical infrastructure. Everything will be same, but logically separated. Logically separated means we will be having our own flat, right? In the same way, we will be having our own data, the data which is contained in the Salesforce, the records, the data, our names, our personal information, everything will be logically separated. What are the advantages of this multi-tenant architecture? Because we can scale up and down using this. For suppose if we want more space, we can buy one more flat, right? In the same way, if the storage requirements are more, we want more governor limits and more limits for storing our own data, we can increase the scalability. For suppose number of users for our client is also increasing, then we can buy more storage and we can scale up. For example, after completing the development project, we don't require any access anymore. Then we have to scale down, right? We can scale down also using this scalability. We can scale down means we can decrease our licenses and we can decrease our storage capacity so that we can manage our cost. It will be managed efficiently. Okay, this is about multi-tenant architecture.
Um,
Any doubts you have in this multi-tenant architecture?
yeah, the scalability means.
Yeah, scalability means mainly, um, for example, if we have any of the, we have for suppose we take 100 clients for our client.
Mm,
Okay, of 100 customers for our
mm,
client, we will be having we will be working in Accenture. For example, we will be having Shell as our client. Our client has
mm,
100 customers. Now
okay.
we will be developing one product, right? So that 100 developers will be involved. For example, at the same time we have to develop one more product, then
Mm,
we have to increase manual force. And now the customer count, the employees count increase it to 150. Now overall employee count is 150, but here we have only the virtual machines or servers related to those 100 people. Now we can scale up, which means that we can buy extra licenses and extra storages so that it will be scaled up. Okay, and
okay.
then we can
Okay.
buy licenses related to 150 and we can do. This is scaling up. We have scaling down also. What this means,
Mm,
after completing development, the there will be no need of licenses, right? There is no need of for this scaling up, we have invested so much and we have bought those licenses. Those are not needed for us after this development work is over. Now we can scale down. Okay, based on our
okay.
development part. Now only 25 members are required. Now we can scale down and we can go with the 25 members, 25 license.
Okay.
This is scaling up, scaling down.
Scale. Okay. Yeah.
You got it right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me proceed with the next topic. What is this metadata architecture? What is this metadata architecture? We will be having shared database for this. Uh, for example, if we have one account, we will be having all the information in it. Okay, our name, address, business address, shipping address, and we will be having our PAN card data, Aadhaar card data, everything. For example, if we joined one of the company for job, then the company called Accenture, let us take. Accenture also needs this personal information, right? Uh, if we want to enter again manually, means it is not a good practice. That is why Salesforce is following metadata architecture, because everything it will store in the form of metadata, so that if we give that metadata at that point, then it will fetch all the related data, which means that there will be one metadata format. I will be explaining you when the session starts. Then for every object and all, there will be API names. Those are called as metadata. If we give that metadata, all the data will be fetched, which means that name, last name, business address, shipping address, and Aadhaar card data, PAN card data, everything will be fetched automatically. This is the main use of this metadata architecture. For suppose this is one type, there is second type of metadata is, for example, we will be having the data, very large data we have GBs of data. Whenever it is required, whenever we have to fetch that, we cannot place the entire file in some location, right? For that purpose, we use this meta data file, which means that in that file only the path will be there. The memory location of the large file will be there. Whenever it is required, we will be giving that data, small data file in the wherever it is required, so that the system will fetch that path, and from that path it will extract the metadata whenever it is required. This is the metadata architecture. This is how Salesforce practices everything. This. Do you have any doubts?
No.
No.
Okay. Now let me log in into the Salesforce account and show you. Do you have Salesforce accounts with you?
No, no.
Okay. I will show you how to log in.
Okay.
This is the URL. Let me give you in the chart. Okay. You can go to the URL and you can give your first name, last name, email address, your job role. You can give a developer. Okay, there will be no problem. You can give developer, and you can give your company name, and you can give which state, country or region you are living in, and you can give the postal code and give the username as the same as I would recommend you to give the username as email address only. You can give that email address and click on sign me up, so that you will be generated one username and password. Yeah, please tell me.
Is this trial head or
Yeah, it is you are logging into the Salesforce. It is not Trailhead. You are logging into the
okay?
Salesforce org.
Okay.
Yeah. If I use that username and password,
Okay. 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 The URL is salesforce.com, right?
yeah, URL is after getting the username and password from this, you will be logging into
Okay.
login.salesforce.com.
Login salesforce.com. Okay.
Yeah, I will ping you this URL.
Okay.
From this URL, you can
Okay.
if you enter the username and password, and if you sign in, if you click on login, you will be redirected to this home page. This is the Salesforce home page.
Mm.
Yeah, I will be explaining you clearly what are the different objects are there, what are the different
Mm.
things are there, how
Mm.
we used to navigate to everything, different concepts. I will be explaining you the admin part and developer part. Coming to
Okay.
developer part, if you click on settings here, there will be option called developer console. If I click on it, I will be opening this developer console. Here I used to practically code everything. Okay, I will use this open execute anonymous window, and I usually code everything and I will execute. I will show you practically. Here we will be having logs here, and we will be
Uh,
having query editor.
for this developer thing, do we need to know the knowledge about this coding?
No, do you have any knowledge on this Java and SQL?
No.
Okay, no problem. I will be starting from the scratch and I will be implementing. If you have a knowledge after this session, if you have a basic idea on this Java and Java and SQL, it will be an advantage just it. But I will start from the scratch and I will go from the beginning. No problem.
Oh, no, no problem.
Yeah,
Is it is it similar to Java
yeah.
is it similar to
Uh,
Java and the
yes,
database is
yes.
SQL?
Yeah. The query language
Okay.
is
Okay. Basic Java
SQL.
concepts.
Yeah, here here you can see right enter SOQL query, which means that here analogous to SQL we have Salesforce object query language, which is called as SOQL. Okay, and
Okay, for admin also, for admin also is we need Apex, right?
yeah, for the developer only we need this SOQL and Apex concepts. For this admin and all
If it is
everything
admin, yeah,
we will
yeah,
be doing everything in this console only. No need of any coding part.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, everything I used to do practically and I will be explaining you. And
Okay,
coming to coding part, everything I will be executing, writing in front of you, and I will be explaining you clearly.
okay, okay.
Yeah, this is about
So first you're gonna start with admin and then you go to the developer part.
yeah, yeah. As per your thing, how you want me to proceed, I will proceed accordingly.
So which is the best way to start? From the developer part or from the admin part?
Admin is okay, I think.
Yeah, admin, it is fine.
Okay, then sure.
Yeah, we can start with admin and we can have know what are the basic objects and all everything. Then we can go for development part.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This is about how we do. Any queries do you have?
No,
No.
no, no.
Okay. Yeah. If you have any queries, you can ask me, or else we can wrap up the session.
Basically, the admin is the basic thing in Salesforce, right?
Yes.
Because of some complexities, the Apex they go for, right?
Yeah. For example, if there is any practical business scenario, if it is very tough to implement and we cannot achieve via this admin part using this automation process and all, then we can go for coding part, Apex.
Okay, okay, okay. But the admin is what kind of the drag and drop, or which kind of the
Yeah.
processing?
Yeah. For example, this is the object manager, right? We will be,
Okay,
let us suppose if we want to create one custom object,
okay, okay,
which means that I want to create one object. We have tables in SQL, right? In the
okay.
same way, we will be having
Yes.
different
Mm,
types of objects. I will be explaining you clearly what
okay.
is that object fields and all. Now I am
Yeah.
creating this field, this
Mm,
fields inside it, and I am creating the object. I am giving label. Let me give some college. Okay, colleges. I
yeah.
will give college one. The plural name is colleges. Okay. Here
Mm,
I will give the object name. Here label means what it should print. Yeah, here we have these objects and all. This is the name. This is the label. Label means how the users, front-end users are seeing. This is the label. This is the API name, which means that we can use this name for coding part. System should know, right, what is this object name and all. For this purpose, we use this API name. For our seeing, we will be getting this name here. I have given this label name and I have given this object name also.
Okay.
And I am giving this name. What is the name of the record? We have created one object, right? What is the name? We are creating the records for this object. For example, if we take account, let me open one of the app, sales app. In this, there are so many accounts. Test 56, this Ram, Seta, Rao. These are different records. Here, this
Mm-hmm.
is the object. These are the records. When we are creating one record, there should be some name, right? Here, what I'm creating personal account. There should be some name. I will give. Okay, this is the name of the record. Okay, I will click on save, and what it happened? It created a record with the name Chitra. In the same way, here we are giving one field, name field here. What is that? College name. In the account record, we will be having our names. In the college, we will be having our college names: JNTU, Anna University, WIT, SRM. These are all. In this way, we can tick these options and we can directly save. This is the admin part. No coding is required, and directly we can save the. We can create whatever we want.
Okay.
Here, if I click on save, it created one custom object college. In this way, we used to do.
Okay.
You got it right? Or any doubts? You can ask me if
Yeah.
any doubts. Yeah. Yashwant, you do have any doubts or Chitra?
Yeah. No. No more doubt.
Right now, I don't have any doubts.
Okay.
But once you start explaining about the interface of the Salesforce, I might be getting the doubts. But are you going to start the interface and everything today, or?
Yeah. From tomorrow in the regular session, I will start.
Okay, so yeah.
Yeah.
I
Here.
was just a little bit confused that what you're creating these objects and all that.
Yeah. That is why I will be explaining you everything from the in a detailed way. Just today I have explained overview, right? For suppose if you log in, you don't having all this. I will be creating how we create this sales app, how we have to create this accounts and all, how we have to navigate. I will give step by step procedure, and we will be seeing all those.
Yeah, that
Because
is
at
what
the end of the
I was
session,
just confused that there are too many options and you created some duplicate thing window and
yeah,
just added the object. I didn't
yes,
get that. So yeah,
yeah,
I'll get in the
actual
further class.
in the further classes you will be getting for information purpose. I have created one object, right? What are the records in that object? For example, if we take these accounts, what are the records all are there? For that purpose, I have created a duplicated one, and I have seen these records and all. You will be getting to know in detail when you enroll into the course, I will be explaining you from the starting how the organization will be there, how it will be. We have to customize, how we have to create these all things. What are the different
Okay.
records you will be having in this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Everything I will explain.
Sure. No
Just
worries.
for understanding purpose, how my class will be, how the interaction will be. Just because it is
Mhm.
60 days course, right?
Yeah.
After gradually after 30 days or not, you will be getting some idea, and after 60 days you will be getting clear idea.
Okay.
Okay.
So and also we need to practice it, right, every day, I think.
Yeah, every day if you practice means hands on means it will be very good to you,
Uh,
because without hands on you will be knowing what and what, but in depth you have to know and you have to remember means
yeah,
you
we
have
have
to
to practice it.
practice. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the timings of regular session?
Yeah, timings you can talk with the facilitator. Satish is there, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can talk to him, and I will be available actually. Uh, you can talk to them because he will be your point of contact, right? He will be fixing, right? That is why.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Actually,
according
Chitra, I
to
decided that I will like 10,
Mm-hmm.
10 or 11 a.m. UK timing.
10 or 11.
Yeah,
Okay.
UK timing.
Okay. Then here India,
India.
afternoon, right?
Yeah, afternoon.
For evening or afternoon? 3 or 4?
It's like if it is 11, then 12, 1, 2,
I think it
3,
will be 3:30. I think.
yeah, 4:30. If it is 11 UK timing, it's 4:30. If it
Yeah,
is 10, then
11.
3:30.
Yeah, 10 means 3:30.
Yeah.
Till 11 you have work.
No, but I just work on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I just talked with the tutor also that he was saying Monday to Friday it could be fine, but I said, what about Sunday to Thursday? Because Friday, Saturday I have to work. Even Thursday I have to work, so it is fine to attend on Thursday.
Mm. Actually, days are okay for me, but timings, if it is the in Indian time, the time will be 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 is okay for me.
Okay.
Any days okay.
Oh. So then, if it is 1 or 2 or 2 or 3, then
Or 2
for
or
us
3, yeah, 2 or 3, yeah.
uh, for us like 9 or 8 a.m. I think.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
Oh,
Actually, we are not a morning person, so
okay, then we discuss about this later, I think.
yeah, it's fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can discuss it later with Satish, coordinator.
3 to 4 is also okay because after 4 I have to travel because my work session will come end at 4 o'clock, right?
Okay, we will discuss it
So
later.
yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Any more doubts you have?
No.
Oh, okay then. Yeah, looking forward to see you guys.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for
Thank
this
you.
session.
Yeah, see you.